So basically today I'm gonna teach you how to make thousands of money. Oh, I broke the chest. Oh, I broke the chest. Ah, this is embarrassing. Ah, cow. Cow, you ruined it. Basically, I seen the new live stream from Technoblade, and yeah, he made a deal with God for a bell. He got a wish, he got a bell. It's kind of cool, but he could make it easier to get thousands upon thousands of dollars. Kind of simply put that. You put the block of redstone, with the 60 piston there, bell there. You're gonna need this. That. I just need YouTube, join YouTube, hit the join button, give me money, oh yeah, money. I'm so rich I can now jump off without carrying, yay. This video will hopefully be about how to kill Dream, the squid. I hate the squid. Thank you, Dream, for getting the squid in. But this also works to annoy your friends. Yeah.